Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I'm going live because I got my pre-order in. So one of the benefits of being a Stampin' Up demonstrator is that we get to order from the new annual catalog early. If you're interested in learning more about that, this month, if you join Stampin' Up, you can order your starter kit can be from the new catalog. So if you're interested in some of the things you see and you want to join my team, I'd love to have you. I'm looking to expand my team by a few folks, and I've got some big goals for this year. You guys saw that I got the 100,000 in sales, which is awesome. But I also want to grow my team and get back to the gold level, maybe even gold elite. And by growing my team, I can achieve that goal. So sales are going great, but now I've got to really focus on teams. So one of the great benefits of being a Stampin' Up demonstrator is we get to we get to do pre-order early. We get stuff from the new catalog. So I'm going to open it with you live. I have not opened my package. I did open the package with new catalogs and I thumbed through them, but I've not opened the stuff yet. And you'll also get to see kind of why I pre-ordered, maybe what I pre-ordered. If you're a demonstrator and you're kind of like wondering, what should I get on the pre-order? Or I know some people have posted and said, do you guys get everything? What do you get and why? I think that's a great question. So, okay. So right off the bat, I see my new set of core colors markers. So these are the markers in the new core colors. So this is the set of colors that is going to stick with us, hopefully for a while. So we have Fresh Freesia, Pecan Pie, Misty Moonlight, Pretty Peacock, Lemon Lolly, Berry Burst, Blueberry Bushel, Lost Lagoon, Bubble Bath, Azure Afternoon, and Lemon Lime Twist. So fun new colors. I get the markers because you can do a lot with markers. I get the blends over time, but even if I was doing like a new core color class or something, I would probably start with the markers because you can stamp with markers, right? You can just color on the stamp. Even a photopolymer stamp will take marker color. So this is a good purchase. So you're wanting to explore the new colors. I also got the new stamp pads for the new core colors because for me, I know I need those. So I went kind of shallow on everything. I didn't get a lot of all the new colors. I got what I kind of needed, the bare minimum. Okay, and then I also got the markers for the new in colors. So we have Copper Clay, Wild Wheat, Boho Blue, Moody Mauve, and Pebbled Path. Ooh, I remember all the colors. This is a miracle. That must mean my brain is firing on all cylinders right now. So, and then let's see, what else did I get? I got a couple of new stamp sets. I'll kind of hold on to those and I'll show you those in a bit. Let's see. I got the new in color stamp pads too because I feel like those are an important, those are important for me to have so I can see the colors. I actually really like the Pebbled Path. I think it's a really pretty gray brown, has some purple undertones. Moody Mauve. That'll be nice. That'll be fun to play with. I like Wild Wheat. I love Delightful Dijon. I like a good mustardy color, so I'm happy with that. And I think Boho Blue is really pretty. And then there's one missing somewhere in here, but we'll find him. All right, so one of the things I'm moving out of the way is, so you don't see it, is that I have a gift for my customers, and I'm gonna do a little class with the gift, and so I'm trying to hide those because I had to order a whole bunch of those. So that's part of my order, which is why my order is kind of a mess right now. All right, let's see if I can get to the good stuff. I do use my Stampin' Rewards. Hey, Athena, I do use my Stampin' Rewards to get some markers. So I do the blend markers, and I acquire them over time. So I just use my rewards. And so I did prioritize a couple colors that I thought would be fun to play with. The Azure Afternoon is one of them. Pretty Peacock, which I know I love, so I'm excited. And then Lost Lagoon, which was my favorite in color of all time, back when I was a demo when I first started. And Berry Burst is a really nice kind of triple color. So that's fun. I'm glad I got those. Oh, and Bubble Bath. Yeah, I got Bubble Bath too. Who doesn't like a nice soft pink? I did get a couple packs of these fun new in color dots. These are new in colors. I thought those would be fun to play with. I've been thinking about my classes for the summer, and I think May is going to be an in color class, so I'm kind of thinking about that. And then the other thing I got was, I was like looking for what I got. Like, I know I got a couple other things. Let's see. The other thing I got was I got a pack of the new Core Color cardstock, and I got a pack of the new In Color cardstock. So the In Color cardstock gives you 4 sheets. Yeah. 4 sheets of all 5 colors, so that's nice. It's a good way for me to kind of get started and play with the new in colors. And then the core pack just gives you 2 sheets of each new in color, but that's a really nice way for me to see the colors. Beautiful. I love Lemon Lolly. It's a really pretty yellow. I'm really excited about it. So saffron was not my favorite, and so I'm okay getting rid of it because we have this really pretty yellow. It's very cheerful. And then I got a couple of DSP packs. I will be doing my paper party in May, June. So it'll be late May, early June, probably early June. And so I do like to get the DSP because I want to see the papers and start to play with them. So I got the new Bright and Beautiful. This features a lot of the new core colors, so that's exciting to me. And then I got the really pretty Countryside In, which features a bunch of blues. Love all the blues. It reminds me of like Delft blue stuff, so that makes me happy. And then I got the Zoo Crew paper. The backs are black and white. That'll be a lot of fun to play with. And I think these critters are cute. I think they'll make some fun cards. I don't know. This is kind of like some of the other critter stamp sets where I actually just get the paper and play with the paper, and I never buy the stamp set. I did that with Happy Forest Friends as well because the paper does enough for me. I don't actually need the stamp set. And then, what was the other thing I got? Oh, and then I got the fun, oh yeah, I did. I got the fun new gold paper, gold celebration paper. And I did get the new Daisy, Fresh as a Daisy. So this features all of the new in colors. So I definitely had a strategy as I was kind of moving forward, thinking about my summer classes and what we've got going on. So in May, I know I love that rainbow paper. This is so in May, we have our stamp camp out at Bella Vita, which you can do remote as well. And we're going to be playing with the Memories and More kit from this, the Bright and Beautiful. And then we're also going to play with Circle Sayings and the new in colors. So we're going to do, the morning is going to be all the new core colors, and the afternoon we're going to play with all the new in colors. So that'll be a fun, colorful day. And then I'm going to do a paper share. And then I've also got, I'm going to do an in-color class, and I'm also going to do, in June, I'm doing a fundraiser for Foster Village that features lemons and lemonade. So that's going to be really fun. So the 2 stamp sets I got, I did get the Circle Punch, because who doesn't love a good Circle Punch? It was sad when they took our Circle Punches away. So I did get the really fun Circle Sayings stamp set. And I'm excited to play with this. I think there's some beautiful images, some really good fonts. I think this is going to be a great set. I'm really excited. And then the other one I got, and I think I got the dies for it. Oh, here they are. It's like, is Crafting with You. I'm so excited about this. Super cute set. Yeah, that cupcake is really cute. And I'm really excited about this set because we have an event coming up in May that was picked for the 35 for 35. So it's the 35th anniversary of Stampin' Up, and they are picking 35 events around the globe to send a home office staff person to celebrate the 35th anniversary. So when an event, you applied to have an event chosen, and our upline, Candy Rattry, is doing a great demonstrator event in May, and she's applied and was chosen as a 35 for 35 event. So if you're a demonstrator and you're here in the San Antonio, Austin area, definitely check that out, because you can message me. We're really excited about that event. And so Shannon West will be coming, and she's going to pick a swap to take back to the home office from all the open swapping. And I think I've got some cute ideas. So really excited about this set. This will make a great set for other crafters. I'm going to do like a card for team for this. Because life is better when you're crafting. So anyway, super excited to open up my pre-order with you. Love everything I'm seeing so far, and I'm excited to get to play with some stuff. I'm gonna I have to design one other class before I can play with this, so I will do that before I start playing. But I think that you'll probably see some sneak peeks probably this next week, Wednesday. So hopefully you'll see some new color stuff. I always try to spend plenty of time with the retiring stuff, but it's always hard when the new stuff comes in and you just want to play with the new stuff. So that's the perk of being a demonstrator. So customers can order in May from the new annual catalog. And like I said, if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up! And you want to be able to order from the new catalog early, you can do that. You can join in the month of April, and you can order anything from the pre-orders. So there's lots of cute stamp sets that coordinate with all these: the Zoo Crew, the Daisies, the Gingham, the Bright and Beautiful has like a cute balloon motif. So, if you're not a demonstrator and you want to become one, there's some definite nice perks. We definitely have a lot of demonstrator-only events. We do shoebox swaps. We have our own events that we do, not only that, Stampin' Up! Hosts for us, but that we host for ourselves. So we do demonstrator get-togethers, team meetings. We do kind of a quarterly event as well. So we'd love to have you join our team. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. But happy Thursday. Glad I got to show you guys some fun stuff. I'll talk to you later. Bye.